Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get VideoStar Pro for free. So this is a paid membership. It's really dumb. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, the packs and everything. So I'm going to press continue and it's going to give me the VideoStar Pro for free. I'm not paying, as you can see, so let's see what happens. Dev mode activate, all pro features unlocked. Sweet. So I'll show you how to get it. So go to matrixmods.com, find the VideoStar, press download, and then the last step is the verification. So this is just where you have to download 2 apps from the App Store, 100% free, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load up. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right now. So it's going to say missing files. So I just have to download 2 of these apps. So like DraftKings, Family Island. So this one says reach level 11, so it's a game, so I could go ahead and do that. So that's pretty easy. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps, guys. You're going to be all good to go. So yeah, definitely try this out. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video, so that could help you out more. But yeah, there's tons of these, so I don't think you're going to find that any of them are that hard to do. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, peace out, brothers. But this is how to get VideoStar Pro for free. So it's really cool, guys. It actually works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I like VideoStar Pro. I think more people need to use it, but they don't. You can see you get unlimited 3D editing space, QR codes, animated text, overlays, personalized support, 4K 60, draw lab, custom fonts. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys need VideoStar Pro, definitely try this out because a lot of people are going to discover that there is the need for VideoStar Pro. So definitely get the word out. This is super cool though. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, I mean, subscribe to the channel and everything, and peace out.